Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris Time, and I just wanted to greet you all a Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, then Happy Holidays. Have a good weekend. Have a good week. I don't know, but whatever you celebrate, I hope you have a good day. Spend some time with your friends and family, and remember, Christmas is not about receiving; it's about giving. Just kidding. We all want to receive car parts for Christmas. We all know that. Anyways, I hope you guys receive a lot of car parts for Christmas. If not from your friends and family, then go buy yourself some car parts. It's Christmas, buy yourself something. Alright guys, so today's sponsor is from Oedero or Oedero. I'm not sure how you really pronounce their name, but I've been eyeing their products since I got my FK7 Sport hatch back when I started YouTube, but I didn't really get a chance to try them out because I completely forgot all about them. So now I have the opportunity to try out their product. So this is a all-season floor mat for the 11th gen Civic. As you all know, we just purchased a Civic not too long ago. So inside of this box, you obviously have your floor mats, which I should bring out. Oh, they even have a center floor mat, which is cool. Oh, wow. Surprisingly, this product has a trunk mat, which I wasn't really expecting them to have it, but they do. So that's really nice that they included a trunk mat. This goes on the rear of the car. So this is like an all-in-one kind of piece. You just plop it in the rear. They have like this middle piece right here as well. And then this one goes on the passenger side. Nice and rubbery. It feels pretty good. And it doesn't have a scent to it. And obviously this one goes on the driver's side. The driver's side has these two holes so that you can lock it in place. That way while you're driving, it's not sliding around. And then they also have their Oedero name right here on the bottom. Nice texture to it. And if I bend it, it just comes right back. It doesn't like bend out of shape or anything. These are nice to have, especially during this time of year where if you guys get snow or rain, or if you live in a muddy area, this is a good option for you to have in your car. That way you can just take out your mats and just rinse them off with water and with a little bit of soap, so you don't have to worry about your carpets getting dirty. So let's go ahead and install these onto the car. So this is what the floor mats look like now. So we purchased this car about end of October, so it's the floor is still clean, but you still have these little bits of rocks and like all this stuff all over the carpet. And especially when it's raining, you're bringing in all kinds of mud, and there's no protecting your carpet because there's no sidewalls on the stock floor mats. Same thing goes for the rear, because we've already had passengers here that had wet feet, and look at the stain that they put on the floor mat. And then of course the rear. So as you can see, it's still pretty clean, but we need to do some vacuuming. Let me just take this off for you guys so that you guys can see. For the most part, it protected it. It's just that part over there is still dirty because this part had no protection whatsoever. And the sides, as you can see. So we're gonna clean that up first before we even install these mats. highly recommend these all-weather floor mats for any car, not just the Civic, because you know they're dust-proof, waterproof, easy to wash, and they look nice. So they protect your car a lot, and they feel better instead of those cloth stock floor mats that you typically have on your car. So definitely consider upgrading to all-weather floor mats. The link to the product will be down below in the description, so if you're interested, just check out my description. More videos are coming on the channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I do make 10th gen Honda Civic content as well as 11th gen Honda Civic content. I would put in a Accord video here and there, but not quite often, but I still have Accord videos for you guys to view, whoever is interested. Anyways guys, as always, thank you all for watching. Peace out.